genetics. As a discipline in biology, it studies inheritance and changes in living organisms. It can foresee the physical appearance as well as the possible behavior of organisms. It originates from the Greek word genao, which means beget, bring forth, and give birth. We know today that genetic information is contained in a DNA molecule. In fact, everything in our body comes down to DNA, because if there were no DNA, we wouldn't exist. We know likewise that genetic material is inherited from biological parents. But what happens if they're not our biological parents? We shouldn't love our children only because they inherited our genes. In many languages, there's a saying, blood is thicker than water. As well, in many cultures, emotions are closely connected with blood relation. Therefore, in order to develop them, we have to establish whether blood relation exists or not. The reality documentary show DNA offers help to people who have opted for truth. Studies have indicated that 30% of men that have doubts about whether they've been raising their own children, after taking a DNA test, find out that they've been raising someone else's child. In addition, the number of mistakenly registered fathers in the entire population is astoundingly large. Researchers worldwide indicate that 10% of children are not the sons or daughters of the fathers whose names are entered on their birth certificates. The number of requests for taking the test to establish paternity have suddenly increased. Reality Doc DNA responds to the calls of people that need help. In addition to establishing paternity, the DNA test may also establish close and distant kinship. Family relation may also be established by forensic DNA profile interpretation. DNA tests may even establish the geographic origin of a distant ancestor on the father's side. The results that bring freedom. The truth that changes one's life. As soon as a child is born, all try to spot similarities with its parents. People forget that no matter how similar to our parents or siblings we may be, we are still one of a kind and unique. Reality Doc DNA.